Hey guys, this is Jason with Swan Vinyl Works. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install our Chrome Delete on the 2022 through 2024 GLI badge. So, to start off, I'm going to clean it up with some isopropyl alcohol. Then you're going to take your template. I'm going to go ahead and separate these so I can work with it easier. I'm going to peel this back, just like this. Fold the paper behind it. Then I'm just going to try to line it up. You can see this little edge right here is going to butt right up to the decal, or to the red part of your badge. Get some more light here. Okay. Now, just roll it off like that. Go ahead and handle this top one. Back up. Alright, then we can go to the bottom. This material is very repositionable, so you can pick it up and lay it down as much as you need to get it right. Got it right up to that edge. Once you're to this point, you can take a heat gun, heat up the vinyl, use my finger, lay it all flat. I'm using a decent amount of pressure here. I want to make sure it sticks. And for this edge right here at the top, helps to have a tucking tool of some sort. Hit it with heat one more time to lock it in. Alright, just like that, you are done. You can check out our website for this product and many more like it. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.